Hello again and welcome to the channel. We've just received some products from one of our suppliers. They're called 4E Scientific and they're based in Hong Kong, China. I don't know if you remember, uh, they're the guys with these pipettes. I have made a presentation earlier for these products, and although we did receive some other stuff also, in this video I'm just gonna do an unboxing and short presentation of an ultra flat magnetic stirrer. I just want to show you a mini dry bath incubator also, and a Vortex mixer. So let's get to the unboxing and presentation. Right, so first of all, the magnetic stirrer. This is the box it comes in. We have here a wall plug with a connection right here. We have a magnetic rod, user manual, silica gel, and the magnetic stirrer itself. Let me show you. And this is the one right here. It's called the King Kong 1. Okay, let me just plug it in and show you how it works. So I like this connection. It's suitable for in case you have an incubator or probably, I don't know, a flow hood or something like that. Let me just plug it in. Let me fill this with some water probably. And some blue stuff here. Let's say we want to mix this. Okay, the magnetic stirrer itself has several buttons. This one is the on-off. From here you basically can select the rotation speed, and from here you can choose whether you want the stirrer to sometimes reverse the direction in order for to provide a better steering capacity, I guess. So here's how it works. This is paused right now. Let me get some of mine. I don't want to ruin this. Okay. You can start it. And you can see it starts steering. You can adjust the speed, of course. I think it goes up to 1,500 rotations per minute. Yeah, so this is the maximum. Okay, next one. Let me show you now I'm gonna leave this for last. The Vortex mixer. Let me just get a cutter from right here. is the first time I open this box. So, Vortex mixer. I think you can find this on Amazon also. Power plug. The Vortex mixer itself. These heads are easily interchangeable. Now let's put it to the test. Like the previous one, this also comes with a connection that you can unplug. Again, probably for an incubator or a flow hood or something similar. Let me plug it in right here. See how this works. You basically have the on, off, and touch. Let's go to touch. You can set the speed right here. So 3000 is the maximum. Let's say set it to 2000. So this mixes well. And this you also can set a timer right here. So this is continuous. This is the timer. Pretty cool and small actually. Okay, so this has been the Vortex mixer. The last but not least, the dry bath incubator. Let me show you how tiny this thing is. So I also got one for myself, for the company, because it's so cool. Again, the manual, the calibration report, the wall plug and adapter. Come on. This is the big boy right here. This is the size of my hand, come on. So we've purchased it with 15 positions for a 1.5 milliliter tubes. They also have ones with a heated lid, but this is just fine, you know, for enzyme incubations for, I don't know, DNA extraction or stuff like that. Let me just test this out also. Again, I do like this system. You know, you just plug it in for in case you have an incubator or something like that. Okay. Let me plug this in also. This is how you turn it on. I don't know if you can see, maybe I can try to zoom in a bit. Okay, I think this should work. Good. So this is the dry bath incubator. What it has, you can basically set the temperature and the time. It also comes with 5 programs. Of course, you can set these and um, save them. So you have 5 programs, and in order to set it, you just press here. You would basically, with this tiny wheel, set the temperature. Let's say, for example, I want to do a 55-degree incubation. For, say, 1 hour. Have to be a bit careful. And just press run. You can see here the lead is hitting, the block is hitting. And yeah, so this is a tiny thing. I really like it. Really like it very much. You can basically set the temperature anywhere to 100 degrees and the timer anywhere to 99 hours, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I don't know, hopefully you found this video useful. This was just, yeah, an unboxing and presentation of these these equipments from 4E Scientific, and just in case you're considering on purchasing some of these products from them, probably you'll find this unboxing useful. Thank you so much for tuning in, and stay tuned because I will be preparing some videos soon. A lot has happened with the company in the last period, and I am more than eager to share them with you. Thank you so much for watching, and a subscribe would really help us out.